Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. To all my subscribers and all my supporters, thank you so much for the love and support. If you're new here and you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Thank you so much for your support. As you can see by the title, I am making pineapple ginger juice. Come along with me, let us show you how I do this. So here I have 2 pineapples and I have some ginger. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel my pineapple and ginger. I already washed my pineapple in vinegar and baking soda. Guys, you can do your research on pineapple, but it is loaded with nutrients. It contains disease-fighting antioxidants. It may aid digestion and may reduce the risk of cancer. Can you believe that? It may also ease the symptoms of arthritis, and it may speed your recovery after surgery. Wow. It's full of vitamin C, as you know, that's common. We all know that one. And just by drinking 1 cup of pineapple juice daily, you have great health benefits from that pineapple juice. And guys, we can also eat the pineapple just like it is. After we peel it, we just slice it up and enjoy it. And guys, you can also enjoy pineapple in your dessert or in your meal. You can stew pineapple down also. So there's so many things that we can do with this pineapple. Guys, the pineapple skin that I have here, it can make tea and it can also juice, but I'm just not using it today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slice this pineapple up before I start the juicing. So this is what it looks like after peeling the pineapple and the ginger. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the ginger up and then cut the pineapple up. If you're here and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead, hit that red subscription button, put that post notification bell on so you can be notified when I'm on. Thank you so much. And if you're here and you're not yet connected to my main channel, that's Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine, please slide over, show me some love, okay? Over in Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine is where we do all the food, all the nice meal them I prepare over there, so yes. And over here in Sister J's World is where I do all the healthiness, healthy salad, healthy juice, and natural juice. Yes, this is what takes place over here in Sister J's World. And over here is where I do all the different vlogs, okay? So part of my life, story of my life, and all that, you're gonna find it over here in Sister J's World. All right, I thank you so much. For whatever reason why you buck up in this channel, I appreciate the love. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Whether you come here just by browsing around or you come here because someone sent you, I thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Enjoy yourself and enjoy your stay. Okay, please request something. If you don't see it, you can request a healthy juice or a healthy salad over here. And Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine, you can request anything over there when it comes to food. I'll do it, okay? Blessings. So now I have all the pineapple and the ginger cut up. So it's time to do the juicing. And as you can see, we are juicing 2 pineapples and some ginger. And no water added, so no sweetener gonna be added to this one. As you all know, we can also blend this pineapple. The only difference is that when you blend it, you gotta add some water to it. But using the juicer, you're just juicing out the pineapple. Okay? But either way, we'll still get some good juice, whether you blend it or you juice it. So if you don't have a juicer, just go ahead and blend it. Okay guys, my juicing is finished. And this is what my pineapple ginger juice look like. And I'm just gonna add some ice to the glass. And I'm gonna be enjoying this natural juice. Look at this, guys. Healthy and refreshing. Wow. Tastes good. Try it. You will like it. Pineapple ginger. Tastes real good. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Look up in the sky. Aim and shoot for the moon. If you miss, you'll be still among the stars. Please subscribe for more.